Crypto investor, yes, you have to report your crypto earnings and losses on your tax return. You must file all income. I know it can be complicated. So in this video, I am breaking down how to properly report your cryptocurrency on your tax return and keep the IRS from knocking on your door. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all this game-changing information. And if you stay until the end, I will show you how to recover your losses that you may have this year. Now let's get after it. Cryptocurrency has emerged as one of the most popular investment options in recent years. So many individuals are investing in digital assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. However, this popularity in cryptocurrency comes with the need to accurately file tax returns. IRS treats cryptocurrency like property for tax purposes. This means that the buy or sale of cryptocurrency will trigger a taxable event, which means that if you are selling, exchanging, or trading crypto, you need to report it on your tax return. When reporting cryptocurrency on your tax return, you must determine your basis, which is the original purchase price that you use to acquire your crypto. And it is used to calculate all the gains or losses on the sale or trade of your cryptocurrency. Whether it's a gift, whether it's a hard fork, no matter what, you need to understand what your tax basis is. One of the most common mistakes people make while reporting cryptocurrency on their taxes is the failure to report their transactions accurately. If you do not report your crypto transactions correctly, you could be subject to penalties and interest and even audits. You want to avoid this by having really detailed records of your cryptocurrency, and that needs to include the date that you purchased, the amount you purchased it for, the fair market value of the transaction. Very important. Another mistake is failing to report your cryptocurrency gains or losses on Form 8949. So many of you are out there transacting with cryptocurrency, paying for things in cryptocurrency, but not realizing how you need to properly report it on your income taxes. Many of you are thinking that you may have bought something with your crypto, but there was never an exchange of dollars to you. You might be thinking you don't need to report that, but you absolutely have to report it. And I don't know if you guys know it, but IRS has a division that is set up just to deal with digital currency. So recognize what's getting ready to happen. It's also important that you remember your cryptocurrency losses are subject to IRS wash sales rules. These rules prevent you from claiming a loss on a crypto sale if you turn right back around and repurchase it within 30 days. You got to remember that. It's so important to understand it. You have to adjust your cost basis on the repurchase of the account to make sure any losses are disallowed. Another mistake that can be costly is failing to report your crypto income. Cryptocurrency income needs to report it on your 1040 on Schedule 1, additional income and adjustments. If you receive cryptocurrency as a payment for goods or services, you must report the fair market value of that amount on your tax return. Failure to do so and not report that will result in penalties, interest, the underpayment of tax, and it could also result in you being audited. So make sure you report your income. Another mistake that you guys make is failing to report your foreign cryptocurrency accounts. That's right. If you have foreign crypto account with a balance of 10,000 or more at any time of the year, you must file a FinCEN form 114. Report of foreign bank and financial accounts. An FBAR report is necessary. And not filing an FBAR report can result in major penalties, major interest, and IRS does not play when it comes to FBAR reporting. And finally, my advice is always seek tax professional help. There's so many people out there that think they know how to report crypto and are educating you, and they're not qualified to do it, and you are going to end up in a slinky. The tax rules surrounding crypto can be complicated, and it's so easy for you to make a mistake if you don't navigate it properly. So make sure that you get professional help and stop guessing at it. Stop trying to figure it out and do it the right way, because you're trying to build wealth and you don't want it taken away and extra penalties and interest because you don't know what to do. It's important to understand what's needed. And here's the thing. If you have losses that you have experienced through your crypto accounts, you want to make sure you generate a taxable event. A taxable event means sell your crypto at December 31st so that you can have a sale at a lower amount than you bought it for, so you can report that loss on your income tax return. When you see your crypto account going down, it's only down on paper unless you generate a taxable event. A taxable event requires a sale. It requires a trade to purchase goods. That's a taxable event. Therefore, you now have a reportable transaction and you can now take your losses. And now that you know better, you absolutely have to do better. That is why I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Tax Pro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Tax Pro Grow could potentially be your answer, because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Tax Pro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Tax Pro Grow, because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads, because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer, because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Tax Pro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.